Congratulations. Paige is playing the Easter Bunny. And Cameron's playing Ashley the cheerleader.
Why doesn't she have pom-pom?
Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you a story about how I use my magic. Oh, hi Ashley. I wrote a speech to tell you about Easter. Easter is represented by the egg. So
Does this look like a cross?
What Jesus is.
Speak up! A cracked egg is what?
Empty too. And it's
What?
good.
Theo!
You haven't heard yet!
Theo!
Oh, whatever.